Oh yeah, very good. Dugu, हम कितने जा रहे हैं?
Farmhouse.
Farm.
Farmhouse.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You want to see the all animals?
Yes.
You want to meet the animals?
Yes.
What you said? Will you meet?
But I forgot to wash my hair.
What?
But I forgot to wash my hair.
No, I have. I keep it in my bag.
I forgot to wash.
Oh, okay. You forget to wash your hair.
Yes.
That's okay. No problem. We'll enjoy. Getting her fun.
Baba, I excited. Farmhouse.
Yeah.
And what about you? You are excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
What?
I'm excited to go farmhouse.
Let's go. Come out.
Hello. If you keep your hand on it,
Touch. Wow. No, Puchu, come. You want to touch?
spot here, guys. Any differences, guys? Three types of birds, right? Okay. Long neck. Can you see the teeth? Sharp teeth.
Kartik, go, wait there. Play lo. It's coming near, huh? Keep, put it down. Good?
Hissing sound. Yes, they won't allow anyone inside. Okay. And these plants are monogamous in nature. Over here, the one with the ring is male. The one with the ring. That's the male now. He's not moving. He's trying to peck me. He's going back to peck me. Okay, now I'll go next to female. Going back, taking shelter of the male. He always protects his girl.
Oh wow. Nice, huh? What is this? Baba black sheep, you want to touch?
Oh, so to protect their skull, their horns is twisted. Okay, you can come inside now, you can pet them, but don't show your...
See, Kartik. That's okay, Kartik. Eat, yeah? belong to the same family of people. The pony and the horse. And pony is not a baby horse. Okay. So these are the horse.
Go near feet. Go feet.
ये चलो नेक्स्ट अरे नहीं भाई चलो
All donkeys.
We have the prairie dogs that looks like a squirrel.
Can do like this.
They're not the squirrel.
How many are there?
Four.
4. Okay, pack up 4.
Oh, see.
And prairie dogs are fighting. Pure herbivore and omnivore. These are the prairie dogs. They have 4 prairie dogs and the 4 meerkats. It's a prairie dog. Here we have the prairie dog.
Nice, huh, Kartik? So cute, huh?
They bark like a
Kartik.
dog. That's why they call us.
Kartik, Papa's favorite.
Do a thank kind of a sound. When the baby dogs bark now.
So cute.
So cute, huh? Hi.
Okay. Birds off.
So beautiful. Oh, super. Papa.
No, he's too young. No,
Show him, no, Rahul, just him. Yeah.
What are you thinking on your ladder or what? दे दो भाई.
Because the eyes are inside. This is the blind
Go near, Baba. Very good. donkey को bye बोल रहे हैं. The baby donkey is sleeping. He's taking nap. Why you are taking nap?
He's taking nap in the sunlight.
Yeah, come. See, it's coming.
तो क्या करेगा बेचारा.
Eating potty. These guys are eating potty. Very dirty. Don't eat potty. Don't eat.
He's not eating potty. Why?
Lots of potty. And see how they sleep. Yeah, like this. See, look at his house. Very dirty.
They love to swim.
And I think
Touch. Karthik, touch that.
The reason they have such long tail is just to whip their predators or enemies away. What is in nature, which means they love eating meat. They eat just kidding. Same meaning for the first time. Anytime you see, do not go to the head and the tail. That's why, because lizards have a very bad habit of just
Come.